trying. You know I'd be lying, saying.
Hey guys, so today we are doing this look that I am so excited for because it's with the Daisy Marquez palette. I just wanted to make sure that I was holding it the right way. With the Daisy Marquez palette, and we used the shade Slime that I loved. As soon as I got this palette, I was in love with all the shades, but the Slime one caught my attention because I've never seen or used a shade like this before. I was just like in love with all of these shades, so I'm actually pretty shook of how it came out because I don't know, I've never had an eyeshadow this color before, like a slime green. I've never done a look with that color before, but I love it. I am literally obsessed with this palette. I have been using it every single day since I got it for like a little bit over a week. I have been using it every single day, and every single eyeshadow that I do with this palette comes out so beautiful. Here are the shades. They're so pretty. I am literally so in love with all of these shades. So this is the green, this is the purple, this is the turquoise. Well, to me this is turquoise, I don't know. This is the red called Karma. I also love the names. This is Karma. This is Dream. Like hello. Wow. This is Lucid. I want to do a makeup look with this one, the purple one. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Slime, which is what I used today. And let's see, let's swatch. Okay, let's do Angelic, because I've never used gray before either. That's Angelic. Like, she came out with some bomb ass colors. So please subscribe if you're not subscribed, and turn your post notifications on so you could get alerted the next time I post the next video. So if you want to know how I created this look, then just keep on watching. I did my eyebrows off camera. I want to do like a specific video just for my brows, which I'll try to do by next week. So I want to start with the Bittersweet, this one right here, and apply it on the outer corner. And blend it out a little bit. And then go in with Flower, which is the yellow one right here. And then I'm gonna add more of the, what is it called? Flower, Daisy, flower. Make sure the burgundy shade doesn't fade away. So I'm adding the color Karma, which is this one right here, in between the burgundy and the yellow. And then blending it out with the Morphe M573. On the outer corner, I just go in circles. So I'm gonna cut my crease now. And every time like I go like this, like clean it up with concealer, I'll usually wipe off this part on my hand because it has like the red and the orangey shades on it. Okay, so now I'm going to use the shade Slime never used the shade. This color. It's so pretty. Okay, and I'm gonna go with the Karma shade, the orange, bright orangey shade, reddish orangey. Close my eyes so I can get the top corner. Is it? So I can get the top. So I can get the top part. And try to blend it out with a fluffier brush. Just a little bit though. I don't want the yellow shade to go away. Like super, super lightly. And I'm gonna go back in with the flower. The yellow. I'm gonna do the other eye now and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm done with both eyes. I feel like this one's darker than this one. My eyes are never exactly the same. I'm gonna use the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 foundation and concealer. So I finally got another Juno sponge. They finally got here. If this foundation looks too dark on me, I thought it was the lightest one because the shade is 01 Creamy Vanilla. But it's like a little bit too dark. It's not that bad. By the way, if you guys keep on hearing my stomach growl, it's because I'm starving. So one of my eyebrows is always so much higher than the other. Even if I try not to make it higher, it still comes out higher. So since this foundation is already like full coverage, and then this beauty blender makes it even, beauty sponge makes it even more full coverage, I'm not gonna add concealer. I'm gonna be setting it with the Pretty Vulgar, the Powder Room 147 Matte About It Translucent Setting Powder. So for under my eyes, I take some with the beauty sponge and set it, because this foundation is probably not for my skin type because I'm oily, and this says oil free, sweat proof, water resistant, long wear, but for some reason I still look oily. Like you can see, I don't know if you can see it, like right here. I thought it was a dewy finish foundation. It just says medium to full coverage, lightweight, oil free formula, long wear, water resistant, and sweat proof. So I'm just gonna set this right here, my nose, because I'm super oily for my nose, and my forehead. And then since I wear glasses during the day, the foundation always moves from here. Okay, meanwhile I'm gonna take off the powder that fell on my brows. I don't know if I want to do an eyeliner. This is the BH Cosmetics liquid eyeliner. I literally just like hold my breath for that part. I already know I'm gonna mess this one up. Let me just finish the rest of my face and then I'll go back in with the lashes. So for bronzer, I am using a Milani powder foundation, Even Touch powder foundation in Creamy Cocoa. Like on my forehead. Oh my god, I remember when I used to do this when I didn't have a dog bite scar. It was so easy just to make my face look more. I'm gonna apply more. Oh my god, I remember when I was younger, I would only wear blush. It was so crazy. And I wouldn't even apply it right. Like I wouldn't put it right here. I would like do circles in my face. Started from the bottom, now we're here. Oh my god, my eye is itchy. I don't know what kind of under eyes to do. Ugh, I don't know. I'm gonna just go with the burgundy. And maybe I'll add some of the bright red for the waterline. I kind of want to put the slime. Ugh, it feels so weird to just put eyeshadow on your waterline. Okay, and for the inner corner, we're just gonna add the Wet n Wild Mega Glow. The first time I used this, oh my god, I didn't think about tapping it off because it's like a powder highlighter, like literally like a setting powder but in a highlighter. And I grabbed the brush and I literally just went like this and I rubbed it on. I was like, make sure if you want to buy this highlighter, make sure you tap it off because it is a lot, like a lot. Like I use this now just for like either the inner highlight, or if my highlight isn't as poppin', like I'll just put a little bit on so it can be more shiny. So for highlighter, I'm gonna use the Cover FX Perfector Face Palette with the highlighter Divine. So for me, this highlighter isn't as bright as I would want it to be, so I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild on top so I can show you guys how I usually use it. I add some of the brightener. And then you can kind of see it right there. And then, look, this is how much I grabbed the first time I used this. So I dipped it in there. And I literally just, okay, let's say this is my cheek. I literally went like this. Do you see how it left? That's exactly how I looked. I was like, oh, I didn't think about tapping it off because it's powdery, so you have to tap it off. And then you see that? Oh. Shine bright, look at that. I love matching the same highlighter as my inner corner to my face. And I'm just gonna apply the lashes. I'm out of breath because my son just got home from school and the door was locked, so I ran downstairs. Okay, and I'm just gonna put mascara under my lashes. And I'm just gonna use the She Lingerie lip color. I'm guessing it's the dupe to the NYX Lingerie. I don't know when I got this, I don't remember, but I like it. And we are done. The lashes were from Lashes by Vanessa in the style Guap. So this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you guys want me to do more tutorials with this palette or any other palette. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you're not. And turn on your post notifications so you can get alerted when I post my next tutorial. I kind of want to do a challenge next, like a 5-minute makeup challenge, or I don't know, some type of makeup challenge, because I personally love challenges. I also have another YouTube channel with my husband and our kids where we post a lot of challenges, some pranks. So I'll leave the link below so you guys can subscribe. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in my next video.